I've found a lot of new lockpicking channels lately, and I recently subscribed to a guy called, his channel's called BlackDolphin90, and he's doing a giveaway. He's given away a rather nice Caesar shutter lock, which I don't own a Caesar lock, no shutter lock, so this is my entry, if you like, my video entry into that giveaway. Awesome giveaway. He's celebrating making 200 YouTube lockpicking videos. That's a lot of locks, that's a lot of work. So congratulations to BlackDolphin90. Alright, I'm going to start off picking this little safe, Noble safe. They always have the lock underneath the cover here in case your battery goes dead, so your combination doesn't work. And I'm going to use this tubular lockpick. A lot of you lockpickers have these, and handy dandy tool to get into this tubular lock. So here goes. Let's put it in there and give it a bit of a wiggle. There we go, that's unlocked. So there's the first unlock of a tubular pick. And what we got inside, we've got a little gun safe inside here, and this is a wafer lock. Just show you that that works fine. Lock it back up. Okay, it's locked up. Just gonna tilt the camera down so you can see that a bit better. Okay, little wafer lock. Okay, try and get this so you can see. I'm left-handed, but I'm gonna pick this one right-handed so you guys can see it okay, hopefully. Trying to I'm in a real awkward picking stance here, but they're easy locks, so there we go. So there's number 2, the wafer lock, and that reveals some more locks inside here. What we got? We got a warded lock by Master Lock here, and I like to make my own little tools for picking these. So I'm just using what I call a bulldog clip, and I'm going to use the end of that, hopefully, to pick this thing open. Pop her in there. There we go, that's got that one. And I'll just show you that the lock works properly as it should do. Like I say, a warded lock. There we go. So that's that one. What else we got? We got a Chinese 7-pin dimple lock here, and that works good as it should do. It's kind of a cheap lock. There's the dimples on the key there. There's the keyway. Okay, now I've got a kind of a unusual way of popping these little locks. I actually use a city rake, so I'll bring that close as I can to the camera and just pop that in there. Try and get it down the pin side. The coil's already started moving because I've jostled a couple of pins. And now wiggle it side to side, taking it all the way down the lock, flip it over, do it again, flip it over again. Sometimes it opens quicker than others. It's not too bad to get into. Come on. Get a bit of quicker action here. There we go, pop that one. Yeah. And here's a deadbolt, 5-pin, works fine, nice and smooth. Get the key out, there we go. 5-pin deadbolt, this one's by Mountain Security, I believe. Okay, and I'll go for top of the keyway. It's got 1 pin set. Search for some more. Bound to give me trouble on the last lock, isn't it? Single pin picking, 5-pin lock. Interesting name, Black Dolphin. I'm not sure where the name originates, but I can think of actual black dolphins out in the ocean. There we go, we got that one. And a notorious prison in Russia called the Black Dolphin Prison. It's probably nothing to do with either of them, I don't know. But check out Black Dolphin's channel. He has a lot of interesting picking videos on there. He's obviously a very skilled guy. Good place to go and learn some stuff. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.